Well, she comes from a family of teachers.
And among her strengths is taking a challenging subject and making it fun. News 3's Rob Starbuck introduces us to this month's top-notch teacher.
Is there any questions about anything was working?
Tick-tock, the clock on the wall at Middleton High School shows it's time for Angie Humphrey's physics class. The day's assignment in this college-level course is a study of potential and kinetic energy as it relates to the movement of roller coasters.
At the beginning of the top of a roller coaster, those few seconds before you go over the edge, that's all potential energy. And then at the bottom, when you're going as fastest part of it, the roller coaster, that's all kinetic energy.
To keep her students engaged, she applies her physics problems to everyday life, sports included.
You know, if I want to make a goal and I'm a soccer player, I need to kick that ball at a certain speed, at a certain angle, if I'm going to make the goal and have it go through.
The subject of the problems may be fun. Solving them is quite challenging.
She teaches us that sometimes you won't always find the easiest answer, and it may not be a way that you're used to approaching something, but there's always a way to figure something out.
Yep, 1/2 MV squared. Yes, let's write that down so we can kind of look at it.
Mrs. Humphrey figured out early on that teaching was for her.
Totally awesome.
She got the bug for physics while a student at Wisconsin Heights High School.
My high school physics teacher, Joe Marks, really inspired me to become a physics teacher and a teacher in general.
So for that one,
She attended Ball State University on a volleyball scholarship.
Where you're applying force.
And at 8 months pregnant, she still moves like an athlete.
Just spending time with a bunch of like 16, 17, and 18-year-olds, it's energizing, it's fun, it's what I'm meant to do.
There's plenty of brain power at work here, but there's always time for a lighter moment.
she makes the really hard genre of like physics and everything, makes it easier to understand, and she also makes it fun.
All the work these students are putting in on the movement of a roller coaster comes with a payoff next spring. In May, the class travels to Six Flags to ride the real thing and apply what they've been calculating in class.
Let's shoot for 2 more minutes.
With this month's top-notch teacher, Rob Starbuck, WISC News 3.
Congratulations, Angie. Boy, anybody who can make physics fun deserves recognition. And if you'd like to nominate a top-notch teacher, you can visit the Education tab on our website, channel3000.com. Rob will have to go with the class in May.
I had no idea what they were talking about.
I know.
We'll be right back.